Hey guys, good morning. So today is day 114. So sometime ago I came back from tuition and after that I had meal. So now I want to do study because tomorrow I'll go to uh, college. Uh, village. So tomorrow I can't do study, so that's why I want to complete my study today. So because a day after there will be a paper and as well as internal exam, so that's why I want to prepare myself to just now. And uh, and today I can't I will not do, so I would not do any task, so that's why I want to do meditation at morning, and whole task I want to complete it uh, as soon as possible, that tomorrow morning. And after today I'll come back from village. So now I'm going to do study, and after that I'll go to the tuition. So and also want to complete notes because of tuition. So guys, now I'm going for my studies. Okay, let's go. Guys, I just did study, but not more. I did just half an hour. uh, when I told that I'll do study, at that time I gone to the bed and sleep for 2 hours, and after that I wake up and did study. So now it time is running, so I want to go to the tuition. So before going to tuition I want to have meal. After that I'll be ready, and then will I go I will go tuition. After coming back from tuition I'll do my regular task. Yesterday I did not complete my regular task, just I did whatever I do daily, but not completed the vocabulary, as well as not completed my finding mistakes, but I will do today. And tomorrow I'll go to the village, just for wedding. So uh, before going to village I want to complete all the tasks, and as well as complete blocks. When I'll go there, I'll not make a block properly, because I'm very shy. So that's why I can't make properly. Before coming I will do meditation, and whatever I have task I'll complete, um, which which can be from my side, which can be done from my side. So now I'm going to have meal. After that I'll be ready, and then we'll go uh, to the tuition. So guys, let's have meal. Guys, sometime ago I came back from tuition. After that when I come back I watch cricket match, IPL. So there was so interesting match. Did I watch now? I did watch now, and it's live now. But I want to complete my regular task because it's time. It's running so fast, and uh, it so much time, and I want to sleep as soon as possible, because I want to wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, because I want to go to village. That's why I want to complete my regular task and want to sleep. So now I'm going to complete my task, and after that I will have meal. And when I will have meal, after that I will walk and completing all the tasks. After I will sleep. So guys, and tomorrow I will not make a properly vlog because I'll try, so but I will try to make a vlog, and uh, uh, as 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 soon as possible I'll complete my regular task in the morning, because there will not be able to complete my regular task, because there will be lots of crowd, and that's why I'm not Guys, I just completed my one task, that is a meditation. So now I'll have meal. After that I want to complete vocabulary, because yesterday I did not complete it overall my vocabulary. Just two words are left, so that also complete I want to complete. And after that some of my today's vocabulary I want to improve. And guys, I have not more much time, that I have to find my mistake where I made. So now we'll see that how when will I have time, will improve my skill. So you can see that some of 2 days or 3 days ago I can't express or I can't speak properly in front of camera, but now I can speak fluently before than now. So some of vocabulary is not properly, so I want to complete. And I'm not thinking in my mind Hindi to English. I directly speak to English. So it will be best for it's it's best for me, so it's improving. So I am thinking positively, so that's why it's improving. So let's see, will improve myself. So now I'm going to have meal or vocabulary will do. So now let's see whatever I have task will complete. So let's go completing the task. Guys, just now I finished my meal, so now I'm going to sleep. So that's it for today. We'll meet for next one. So okay, bye bye.